Hey everyone! Welcome to this informative video where we'll be discussing the recent events surrounding opposition politician Kenneth Jeyaretnam and the second POFMA, Protection from Online Falsehoods and Manipulation Act, correction direction he received. As you may already know, the Ministry of Law announced on August 2, 2023, that Kenneth Jeyaretnam was served a second POFMA correction direction for posts he made on his social media accounts, specifically on his Facebook page and LinkedIn account. These posts were published on July 27, 2023, and in them, Jeyaretnam made claims about the rental of state properties by Ministers K. Shanmugam and Vivian Balakrishnan. The specific claim made by Jeyaretnam was that the Singapore Land Authority, SLA, had charged both ministers rents that were below market value for two properties, 26, Ridout Road, and 31, Ridout Road. However, the Ministry of Law swiftly clarified that the rental paid by both ministers was, in fact, at fair market value and not below market valuation. To arrive at the fair market value, guide rents for state properties are calculated by professional valuers. These values take into account various factors, including the property's location, use, floor area, physical condition, and prevailing market conditions. Additionally, they reference rentals of comparable properties to ensure accuracy. The ministry further explained that the rent paid by the ministers for both properties was not less than the respective guide rents for those properties. In other words, the ministers were not given favorable rental rates due to their positions. The guide rents were meticulously determined to ensure that state properties are rented out fairly, without any undue advantage. Regarding the specific property, 26, Ridout Road, it's essential to note that the SLA valuer who determined the guide rent for this property had no prior knowledge that the prospective tenant was Minister Shanmugam until the matter was reported in the media. In addition, the ministry addressed the inclusion of an adjacent plot of land in Shanmugam's lease, which increased the land size from 9,350 square meters to 23,164 square meters. This decision was explained in Parliament in June. Before leasing the property, Shanmugam noticed an empty slope of land adjacent to 26, Ridout Road with thick and overgrown vegetation, raising concerns about potential public health and safety risks. To address this issue, Shanmugam negotiated with SLA through his property agent to have the adjacent land cleared before his lease of 26, Ridout Road. However, SLA believed that the maintenance of the adjacent land should not be the tenant's responsibility, and so they negotiated with Shanmugam to include the plot of land within the boundaries of 26, Ridout Road. As the tenant, Shanmugam willingly took on the cost of maintaining the plot of land, which would have otherwise been borne by SLA. It's important to emphasize that the inclusion of this plot of land did not result in any favorable rental rates or benefits to the ministers. The rent paid by Shanmugam was in line with fair market value, as established by professional valuers. This is the second POFMA correction direction that Jeyaretnam has received on this issue. The first correction direction was served in July, instructing him to issue a correction for falsely stating that SLA gave the contract to renovate 26, Ridout Road and 31, Ridout Road to a home interior and renovation company called LiveSpace because the CEO of the company was Shanmugam's son. Please remember that the information presented here is factual and accurate up to the date of August 2, 2023. As always, we encourage you to stay informed, seek multiple sources of information, and engage in respectful discussions in the comments section below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on current events. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.